Hello everyone, this is me, Miriam. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. So, ngayong araw na to ay magluluto tayo ng stir-fry bittermelon with soybean sauce. So, ito lang yung ating kakailanganin. So, we have bittermelon here. And this one, soybean sauce. This is the brand that I use the sauce. So, this we have chilli, 3 cloves of garlic, and the onion. Let's cook with Miriam. We cook simple and easy Chinese and Filipino recipes. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Then, ihuhugasan natin siya. At lagyan natin siya ng 1 spoon na asin. Mix natin siya. Babad muna natin siya ng 5 minutes hanggang sa magtubig-tubig. Yan, babad muna natin siya. So now, huhugasan na natin yung ating So now, ay ready na yung ating mga ingredients at natapos ko na siyang i-prepare, hiwain. So, ito yung ating bittermelon at chili, garlic, and onion. So, at ito yung ating soybean ay kukuha tayo dito ng 3 spoon mamaya and magluluto na tayo. Preheat natin yung ating pan. Naglalagay tayo ng oil. Okay, lalagay natin yung onion. Then, lagay natin yung garlic. Then, ilagay natin yung maglagay tayo ng salt. 1 spoon na sugar. Three spoon. 1, 2, 3. Lagyan natin ng 50 ml na water. Ito yung ating red chili. Lagyan natin ng chili for topping. For a little bit spicy. Okay. Yun na.